Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ken. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial using all Drugstore brands. It was something that was requested, and if you guys would like to see and know how I achieved that look, then make sure you keep watching. Okay guys, so normally I would go ahead and start with my brows, but I'm gonna try something a little bit different. So I've already moisturized my face, but I didn't use anything that was from the drugstore. I just used something that I had from Clinique. And the next thing that I'm gonna do, of course, this is one of my favorite primers that happens to be drugstore available, which is NYX Angel Veil. I love this primer. I love how it has like a silicone feel to it. I'm not really sure. I really need to check the ingredients to kind of see if it has silicone in it. Hold on. Oh, we need to tie these edges first. I'm gonna go ahead and take a beauty sponge or a makeup sponge, whatever, and I'm just gonna dampen the butt of it, and I'm gonna go in with some powder. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my black opal finishing powder, and this is what it looks like. Again, go in the butt and then just go in just a little bit, put it in my problem areas. So the two color foundations that I have is the for the Super Stay foundation is Warm Coconut, which is, I believe, is $3.56, which looks like this, and Mocha, which is $3.60. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe Y6 brush that looks like this, and I'm gonna go in with Warm Coconut first. I'm gonna go ahead and put Warm Coconut on first, so that way you guys can kind of see what I mean, that I have to mix it. This is what it looks like. Now the coverage on this is absolutely beautiful. Maybelline did not come to play games with y'all. Like, I definitely have to give Maybelline their props on this foundation. Do y'all see what I mean? Like, it's a little bit too golden compared to like my neck. Then I go ahead and use Mocha. And I typically just use it on the perimeter of my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and take like one pump of that. I'm gonna go ahead and use, what's this one? This is another Maybelline concealer. This color is Cafe. I've used this once and it was all right. It was all right. I see what they was trying to go for. Yeah. Go ahead and conceal this forehead. I'm gonna go in with my beauty sponge and go ahead and, I mean, y'all know the drill. Go ahead and blend that out. I'm just gonna go in and add just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. The color is pretty though. I'm gonna go in with my black opal finishing powder, and I'm gonna go ahead and set this, and then we'll go ahead and start on the brows. So I'm gonna go in with my black opal, what is this? Foundation stick in the color Black Walnut. And again, you can get this from the drugstore, hence, you know, the title. And it just looks like this. Yeah. I'm gonna go back in with my beauty sponge and then just blend that out. All right, so on to the eyebrows. I'm gonna go ahead and use Maybelline, what is this called? Brow Precise Micro Crayon, which looks like this. I'm a little worried about this because I'm very picky about the way my brows look, but let's just go in and try, right? This color is looking really gray, so I don't know if I should have chose something that's a little bit different. I don't know if it's the color or the formula. I ain't digging it, but we're gonna keep going and see how this turns out. Okay guys, so I went on and finished my brows off camera only because I was getting super annoyed with it and it took me a little bit to kind of work with it. So another thing I went on and did off camera for the sake of time is I went on and primed my eyes, and all I did was use the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I set it, oh Lord, I set it with the black opal finishing powder. Finally for the eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these City Mini palettes. by Maybelline. The name of this one is called Downtown Sunrise. And these are the colors that you get in this palette. So I'm gonna go in with this pink color right here. I don't know, it's like a frosted pink. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my lids. I'm gonna use my fingers, and I'm just gonna put that all on my lid. It look a little gold on my eyes. I don't know if it's the way that I primed my eyes, but it ain't serving pink, I tell you that. You know what? We're gonna put this like coral pink right here, right on top. Okay, that's what I was looking for. Something that was a little bit more peachy, but this is coral, but kind of mixed them together. Like it kind of gave me what I thought that frosted pink was gonna do for me. Go in with this brown right here, and I'm just gonna basically kind of sweep that across my lid. I feel like that coral color kind of got lost after sweeping that brown across. I'm gonna go ahead and take a flat brush and see if that does it a little bit better, and go ahead and put that right on top. Let me try wetting the brush and then go in with, so I'm gonna take some Fix Plus and then just kind of wet it a little bit, and then I'm gonna just go in with it and see what that does. Okay, yeah. It's popping a little bit more. I'm just gonna go back in with that brown and then just kind of deepen up the crease just a little bit. Okay, I mean, it's not bad or anything. I think that these are a really cool idea, but I feel like that you would have to pair them with a different palette just because the color option isn't, for me, it's not realistic. I would have to pair these with another palette, which kind of defeats the purpose of having a palette. That I'm gonna go ahead and do is apply my falsies. And of course, I'm using lashes that are from the beauty supply store, and I'm gonna be using the, I believe they're V-Lux by Envy Lashes, and the name of the lashes that I will be using is called Mila. And the reason why I'm not showing you is because I don't have the box. I'm reusing them for the last video that I had. So, and of course the glue that I will be using is Duo Glue. I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Stay Put liquid eyeliner, and I just like to use this. I don't do eyeliner a lot, as you guys have noticed, but I do like to put it like kind of across my band of my lashes sometimes, just to kind of help hide it just a little bit more, because I don't need my lashes snitching on me. I mean, obviously y'all know that they're fake, but I don't want them snitching on me, so we're gonna hide them bad boys. I especially like doing this mainly after wearing them the first time. The first time, you know, I typically don't need it because they haven't been worn, but the second time, because they have like stuff from you know, eyeshadow all on it, and then they become a little bit more noticeable. You no longer need this. Now I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance contour palette, and I just want to go ahead and set that contour that I used earlier with the Black Opal foundation stick. Plus I just kind of want to intensify contour just a little bit more. Now we're gonna go in back into the City Mini palette, and I'm gonna go into that brown and go ahead and dust that up under my eyes. And I'm gonna go ahead and use this frosted color right here, and I'm gonna put that right into my tear duct. I probably will never do a look without doing this. I'm gonna go ahead and use my NYX Jumbo Pencil in the color Milk, and I'm gonna go ahead and line my bottom waterline. This is also gonna help my eyes to appear much bigger and just, you know, just welcoming. Now I'm gonna take this pencil brush right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and smear that out, just so that way this is a lot more appealing to the eye. I'm gonna go back in with my mascara and go ahead and tame the bottom lashes and get them in order. We don't like anything out of order. We don't like that. Okay, so for blushes, I'm gonna go in with the Fit Me blush that looks just like this, and this is the color Wine Burgundy. Ooh. I'm just gonna go in with my brush, and this is, I'm using my Morphe Y1 brush, and that just put that all right on the apples of my cheeks, and I like to bring it up. That's just what I like to do. For our highlights, so L'Oreal has, I guess, launched these highlighters, and I don't know about y'all. Let me open it so there isn't a glare. I don't know about y'all, but doesn't this look a little familiar to y'all? Maybe it's just me, but it looks real familiar. L'Oreal, I ain't mad at y'all. So I think I'm gonna try this color right here, this pinky color, this pinky peachy color right here. Let me swipe them first before I put this on my face. This is what it looks like. We're gonna try. Let's see. So it's a little more on the powdery side than it is on the glowy side. I don't know about this palette. It's not giving me a lot of glow. I'm not too happy about that. I don't know how to feel about that. So I'm just gonna go in with my Milani highlighter that looks like this. Why do I keep doing that? Like, I'm sitting here blinding y'all. That looks like this. Really pretty. She's super glowy. So we're gonna go in with her. And then
okay. Just use.
So last but not least, well, technically it is least, I don't have a drugstore lip liner. Well, I do, but not for the look that I'm trying to achieve. I think this is one of the only things that I will be using that is not from the drugstore, and it's Chestnut from MAC, so sorry guys. So now I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance Perfect Tone Matte Lip Cream, and this is the color 5403. This is cute. Okay, let me take my little scarf off. Let me get my earrings on, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so here is the final look. I think this is super, super cute. Like, I don't know, like if I didn't know me and I saw me like this, I would have never guessed that this would be a drugstore tutorial or drugstore makeup that I am wearing. Maybe my skills come into play with that. I don't mean to make my head big. I would never guess if I saw someone with this look that this is a drugstore look. So I'm really actually happy the way this turned out. So again, with the foundation, I love the foundation. I think it's beautiful. Now the L'Oreal, what is it? The L'Oreal Lumi Glow Nude palette. It did not give me a glow whatsoever. I don't know if this is for my paler sisters, but it's definitely not for us brownies. At least for me, it was more chalky like. I was really hoping that it worked because I was like, this is so cool. It's a dupe to the Anastasia palette, and they have all different kinds. This is not the only one. So I thought that was really cool, but if it doesn't really work for everybody, you should probably work on that, L'Oreal. I don't know, I'm just saying. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys thumbs up, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. Okay, don't be a lurker. Don't just be watching my videos but don't want to subscribe just because you want to see what I'm doing. Don't be a lurker. Don't be a lurker. Go ahead and subscribe. Become official. Become official. A part of this. You know, I know it's not a lot of us. I understand. I don't got 1 million, I ain't got 2 million, but hey, we're still cool over here. So don't be a lurker. Go ahead and subscribe to my page, and I will talk to you guys later. I love you guys, and God bless. Bye.